Hi, me, Joanne, and Ava Petro. We were nominated from Martina Petro Road. Thank you, Mark.
Thanks, Mark.
Unfortunately, Martina, we are declining the offer, but we fully support the cause for ALS and this Ice Bucket Water Challenge. However, our dogs are going to take the place of us. Our dogs and us are still going to donate. Our furry children decided that they'll do the water bucket challenge minus the ice, with their terms being that we also donate to a local animal rescue shelter, as all 4 of these dogs are rescues themselves, that we give them canned wet food for dinner for the next 2 nights, and that they're able to nominate one of their furry friends as well. So that being said, we agreed on terms, so they are doing the water bucket challenge for us. Bauer over here, Yellow Lab, he nominates his cousin, Ryan Langford's dog, Charlie. Bear's over there with the red bandana. He nominates Kim Silbert's furry child, Reese Pieces. Tank nominates Anthony Gardino's furry child, Roxy. And Dottie, right there, doesn't really know what's going on, but she nominates Janine Petro Gessler, Bernie Mac. You guys have 24 to 48 hours to complete your assignment. Good luck. Have a great day. Bauer over here. Bauer. Bauer, come over here. Bauer, come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Bears, come here. What's this? Bear, come here. Bear. Okay, you gotta watch that. You got the camera behind you. Okay, sit. Sit, guys.
Sit down, Tank.
You're gonna get wet. Ready?
I'm ready, wait.
1, 2, 3, go! Hold on, Dottie didn't get it.
Poor Dottie!
Go for it. Have a good day. Thank you.